welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK. And I'm Plush2x. Now there's an idea out there that you can make vegan meat out of walnuts, and that it makes a very good meat substitute for vegans. And you can also use pecan or pecan or pecan, whatever. There's like different ways to say pecan, pecan, or pecan. Yeah, but I'm using walnut today. So yeah, it's my first time trying it, and I'm excited, y'all. Yes, I am making walnut meat. Yeah, I feel like a super vegan right now. Yes, I am on like level 1000 right now. Yeah, there's levels to this, people. There's levels to this. I'm just kidding. But there is levels to vegans. I didn't even know that. I didn't know anything about levels. You know, I'm just trying to be healthier and not participate in animal cruelty. So yeah, I don't do the levels thing, but I was just playing. But yeah, I'm making walnut meat. And I'm using the seasoning that I bought this month. It's from McCormick. It's by Tabitha Brown. It's called the Sunshine, and it is pretty good. It's really good. I like it. It's got like a Caribbean flavor to it. It's kind of spicy. It's kind of sweet. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna show it in the light later, but yeah, I like it. It comes with 2 in the package. Comes with a nice packaging. Right here. It's nice. And it tastes good. It's a seasonal, by the way. You can't get it in the store. You have to order it. So yeah, this is like the second time that they came out with it. I think they came out with it earlier. I didn't know about it, but I found out about it this time, and I got it. All right, so it's better if you have a processor, but I didn't have one, so I just blended the walnut inside of a blender. Now, normally I only make like sample sizes when I don't know if anything's gonna go right. When I'm trying out like a test kitchen thing. But you know what? When I was eating my walnuts, that's when the idea came to me. So I didn't plan on doing this. I don't have much, so this is actually less than a sample size. So this is actually like a mini sample size. So yeah, this is a walnut. This is what a walnut looks like, in case you don't know what a walnut looks like. It's like this. So yeah, I blended it in the blender. Probably better in the processor, but like I said, I blended it in the blender. And I'm going to put it on the stove with a little bit of oil, and I'm going to fry it with the seasoning. Alright, let me move this right here. So I don't want the oil splashing all over my lantern. Okay. I just thought of something. Like, I think it's probably better if I steam it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of oil and fry it. There's already oil in the pan, but yeah, it'll probably be better to steam it, and it's probably healthier to steam it. So yeah, this hat is cut off in the video. Okay, let me just take it off. It's cut off in the video. I can't see it. It's like it's just cropping my head off. I mean, not my head, but the hat off. But anyway, I know this skirt is a little short, so don't be looking. I gotta turn it around here. Oh, don't like blend it up. My blender blended it too much. It's like almost crummy. Like it's almost like really crumb. But I like it actually more in like little chunks is what I prefer. But anyways, we're gonna give it a try. I already tasted it with the seasoning. That's how I was like, I poured it on top of the whole walnut raw. Now, they say you can steam it too. I didn't look at directions for this. I'm just going off the top of my head. I did not know. I didn't look it up. I'm going to look it up after this video how they actually do it. But I'm just trying it out myself. And like the chef that I am. Doing my thing. Yeah, this season, it don't have no salt, so you can use as much as you want, and it tastes really good. I mean, if you don't have this, you can use any like all-purpose seasoning, you know, garlic, onion, you know, the regular seasoning you use to season meat. smells really good in here. This season is really, yeah, it's on point. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna show the ingredients in the light. You can see it better. All right, go ahead, Tab. This season is the bomb. I like her shirts too. I don't know if you've seen the, some earlier episode. I'm not sure what number it was. Yeah, I got the t-shirts. I got merch. And I got my, I can if I want to, because that's my business. I got the shirt and the mask. And I like them. Yeah, it tastes good. It smells good. And y'all not been touching my food. You know it's good when you're eating them right in the show. But yeah, that's all with Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, trying out some new stuff in the vegan world. But yeah, stay tuned for more and have a good day. Bye. Mwah.